Hi, magandang araw. It's Megan Eileen Love and another listing for today. Ngayon, nasa likod ko, ito ay dalawang 4,113 square meters na binebenta sa Pinagtong Ulan, Pasig. So, as you can see, ito ay agricultural lot. Siya ay flat land along Barangay Road na halos 120 meters yung ating frontage dito sa Barangay Road. And also, ang maganda pa, is napakalapit niya sa National Highway. So, wala pang 100 meters, nasa National Highway ka na.